It's a dish of peanut and cucumber. It's very tasty. Let's start. First take one cucumber and make pieces. Then make thin slices like this. Yes, like this. Long and thin. Now start to make the dish or salad. Take peanuts, roasted peanuts, and crush them a little bit. Spread 2 tablespoons roasted and crushed peanuts on the sliced cucumber, 1/4 teaspoon red chilli flakes, half teaspoon honey, lime juice 1 teaspoon. Now make a tarka or tempering. 1 tablespoon white oil, 1/4 teaspoon sesame seeds, that's all. Let them pop. Then put as topping on it. Now mix them all. All ingredients are in the description below. Now add 1/4 teaspoon salt. Before I didn't, because cucumber will leave water and become soggy. So add salt last before mixing and serving. Well, it tastes very nice. You can serve simply like that. You can also serve as a salad or as a side dish. It's healthy, simple and very easy. You may garnish with peanuts and little sesame seeds. Try it.